Welcome to Learn Yourself. So our equation here is 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. Now here our RHS is this and our LHS is 37 by 2. So in earlier method, what we were doing is we were separating the variable and then we were finding out the solution. Now here in this method, what we are going to do is whatever numbers or the fractions will be there along with the variable, those numbers and fractions we are going to shift towards LHS. And when we are shifting the side of numbers, they are going to change their sign. So how the sign change will happen? If the number is positive, after changing a side, it will become negative. If number is negative, after changing a side, it will become positive. If number is in multiplication, after changing a sign, it will go to denominator and in division. If number is in division or in denominator, after changing a side, it will go to multiplication. So this change we will be doing when we are changing the side of the numbers. Let us understand this how. So our first step is 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. Now to separate this variable, I have to move this 5 by 2 and I am moving this 5 by 2 towards the other side. When I am changing this 5 by 2 side, it is positive. So after changing a side, it will become negative. So towards RHS, I will have only 2y. I am shifting this 5 by 2 towards other side, towards LHS. So here 37 by 2 will be there. And after that, I will get 5 by 2. But since it has changed its side, its sign will change too. So it will become minus. Now both the denominators are equal. So they are like fraction and we can subtract them. So 37 minus 5 divided by 2. So I will get here 32 by 2. So 2y equals to 32 by 2 is my new equation. Now towards RHS 2 is there. It is in multiplication. So once it will change the side, it will go to denominator or it will go to division. So this 2 is going to change the side. So y equals to 32 by 2 in multiplication with 2. This 2 has gone into a division. Now we can simplify this 32 divided by 4. So we know that 4 8s are 32. So our answer here is y equals to 8. And this is our new method by which we have solved this equation and we got the answer, that is y equals to 8. Now let us compare this method with our earlier method. That in our earlier method what we were using, this is our equation. So here what first step we are doing to separate this variable y, that here plus 5 by 2 is there, so we are adding minus 5 by 2 at both the side. So 2y plus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2, and towards both side we are subtracting with 5 by 2, so we will get this 5 by 2 and this 5 by 2 will be cancelled and we will get 2y equals to, these two are like fraction, so we can subtract them and we will get 32 by 2. Now here 2 is in multiplication, so we are dividing both the side with 2. So after that we will get 2y divided by 2 and 32 divided by 2 into 2. So here this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled out and we will get here 8. 4 8s are 32. So y equals to 8 will be the answer from our earlier method, from our old method, what we have followed in exercise 4.1 and 4.2. As you can see here, our method has not entirely changed. See this step over here. As we can see this step over here, that here we have subtracted 5 minus 2 and here also we have subtracted 5 minus 2. Only thing is, in this method we were adding the number towards both the side, whereas here we are shifting the numbers towards other side. So via both the methods we are going to get the same answer, but the steps will be different. And once we will have hands-on experience with our new method, it will be easy compared to old method. So we have to remember all these points, that when we are changing a side, what will happen to the number. See here, this is an equation that 2x plus 3 equals to 5. So if I am changing the side for number 3, then it is going to be 2x equals to 5. Now this 3 is changing a side and it is going to other side, so it will become minus 3. So now here 2x equals to 5 minus 3, we will get 2. So that is how the number will change its sign. Now let us understand, when it is 2x minus 3 equals to 5 will be there. When this 3 is going to change a side, then at that time it is going to 5 plus 3, because as you can see here it is minus. So once it is changing a side, it will become positive. Now let us understand when this is 2x equals to 8 is there. Now this 2 is in multiplication. So when it is going to change a side, it will go to division. So it is going to be x 8 by 2 as per this third case. When number is in multiplication, it will go to division, it will go to denominator. When it will go to other side, and you can just divide this number with that and you will get the answer. When number is in division, for example x by 2 equals to 8 is there. For the fourth case I am explaining. Then 2 is in division. So when it is changing a side, it will go to multiplication. So x equals to 8 into 2. When it is changing a side, it will go to numerator, it will go to multiplication. So here I will get answer 18 into 2 is 16. That is how the number will change a sign. Number will go to numerator and denominator for multiplication and division when we are changing a side. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe Learn Yourself.